How to use Finviz for day trading. Looking for a fast and easy way to find hot stocks for day trading? Finviz is a powerful stock screener that helps you spot opportunities in seconds. No complex setup needed. First, go to and click on the Screener tab at the top. This is where you'll filter stocks based on your strategy. Next, under the Descriptive tab, set average volume to over 500K and price between $1 and $50. This helps you find liquid, affordable stocks ideal for quick trades. Then switch to the Technical tab. Set relative volume to over 1.5 and current volume to over 500K. You're now filtering for stocks with unusual trading activity. Great for spotting momentum. Finally, click on the Charts tab to visually scan stocks for breakout patterns, gaps, or trends you like. That's it. With just a few clicks, Finviz becomes your secret weapon for fast day trading setups. Thanks for watching.